This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. Now, it's been a really good week of trading here. The natural gas and the crude oil scalps both ways. Just awesome. Now, on crude oil, we have the rig count here at 1 o'clock. And don't forget, you have contract roll on crude and natural gas coming in Sunday night. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude on the daily chart. Now, when we look here, as I've been pointing out, your key resistance here is going to be this 21 SMA. You're sitting at 73.09, and your key support is going to be this 8 SMA, sitting at 71.71. So, is it going to break through to the upside or to the downside? So, if it breaks on up, then we want to do is we want to look to this 50, 74.52. You want to look at the 100-day at 76.16. Okay, so this is going to be very, very key resistant levels. Then we look here at the retest here. You're looking at 79.18, and then you're looking at your 200-day SMA here at 80.42. Those would be your upside targets. Now, on the downside, what you want to do is you want to look to yesterday's low. Okay, that is 71.51. Then we want to look to this low right here. You're looking at 70.45. And then we have 70.04. Then we have 69.41 here. And then we have, on this candle here, you got 67.95. Okay, so that would be your downside here. But it just looks like this is a very, getting a very bullish pattern here. You're getting a crossover here on your MACD. So this looks like this wants to go higher, at least test that retest area there at 79.18. Now, I've been pointing out here, when you look to these candles here, see the line coming all across? See how beautiful support that is? See, that's why you want to trade the charts. Okay, now just listen to every nilly-willy, oh, it's going higher, it's going lower. Just trade the charts, you'll make money. Okay, so the key levels are, it's going to be this 21 here, and it's going to be this 8 SMA. So let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. All right, here's your weekly. Well, we ain't got a whole lot of going on right here, right now. It's just a nice green candle here for the week. Now, on the downside, just watch this 67.04. That's going to be key level. If it falls off, then we got 63.64. But on the upside here, we have this 8 SMA, 75.97, and your 21, 76.26. Now, you notice that the 8 SMA is not crossing over as of yet. They're basically just pinched together. But if I can get a crossover and that price can close above, then you have a nice target up here at 84.38, which is your 50 SMA. Now, here on your monthly chart, you always want to look here on your 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 66.05. And then your key level right here is 72.70. Now you notice that the price is above. Now, it needs to close above. That is the key here. If you look at the rest of these candles, yeah, they came down, then they closed above. But again, this is a monthly chart, so this isn't like, oh, it's going to happen like right now kind of a situation. All right, so let's take a look here now at natty gas. All right, natty gas, you have your daily and your weekly chart. Now, yesterday had a really nice run up, okay? So your high yesterday ended up to be 2.634. Very nice. But you got two key resistant levels here going on. Okay, you have your 21 here on your weekly chart. That's going to be key. That's sitting at 2.636. And then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.656. So you need to close above. If you can close above here, then we start going to all the rest of these next targets here. So then we'd be looking here. Okay, you're looking at 2.674. You're looking at a 2.83. Your big retest here is going to be 3.027. Okay, so what I've been doing now here is I scalped the Boyle. Had a really good week here so far, scalping a BOIL. It's the leverage fund for the natural gas. I trade 10,000 shares in that. So it's been really, really a good trading this week here on that. But the key to this upside is just watch that 100 SMA and watch this 21 SMA. Now, on the downside, you want to always watch this 8. This is sitting at 2.236. Now, if you look at here, you have a lot of good crossovers here now, okay, where your 8 SMA now crossed above. your 21, and your 50 SMA. So you're sitting at 2.369. That's going to be a support level. You're going to have your 21 SMA here sitting at 2.292, and that's also a very good support level. And then you have your 50 SMA here sitting at 2.257. Now, your 8-day crossed up here nicely, up and over them. So if it can push this price up above here, this would be a very, very bullish. And then remember, our big target here is going to be 3.75. Now, I'll have more for this after the pit close here. We'll go a little bit more in detail on the crude and natural gas as usual. All right, thanks for watching.